So, hello and welcome to my video tutorial series. I'd like to show you a bit about the map editor of dungeons and modding around dungeons. Okay, so first how to get the map editor. Go to any fan site, for example, I use my own fan site, which hosts the gimme editor.zip. This is a small mod that enables the editor, which is built into dungeons. Okay, or you can save it directly in the mod folder, which you can access when you click on the Explorers bar and type app data, Calypso Media, Dungeons, and there you have to create a subdirectory called mods, where all your mods will go, including the gimme editor, and that's it. Now just start dungeons. So this will take a while we wait for dungeons to start. There's a couple of other hints. For example, you need to disable the full screen and also make your screen a bit smaller. Okay, start dungeons. You can do this at the same place in the config.cfg. Just open it with any editor. And here you have, for example, here I put in 800 by 600 and make sure that full screen is on false. Okay, that's it. Oh, dungeon has started. Now you get in the main title, you get another button called Editor. Now ignore the broken cursor, it's a problem of Camtasia Studio. Yeah, when you click the editor, then the built-in map editor will start. Okay, some basics about the map editor. I will cover the more details in later episodes. Or you will start with an empty map. To save your own map, which you should probably do as soon as possible, just enter here some new things, for example test, and click on save. And now you have saved the map into a different folder. To build anything, you can use the scene editing. Here is a list of things you can build. You should restrict it to your level that you're currently making. So for example, this is the catacombs, which plays in level 0. You can build things from other levels, but or keep an eye on the memory printage. If you include everything from every level, then it would probably blast the main memory of your users. Okay, then click on everything in this list. Everything that starts with derived is usually meant for building. Everything that starts not with derived is usually meant for just visual objects, which do not have any meaning in the game later. On this side there are the abstract templates. I cover this topic later. So for example, to click an altar light, just click on this button and then place the altar light somewhere. Here you go. Yeah, the object editing is here. I will cover this later too. Here you can change the tile field settings, like you can change the wall type, include treasures into the wall, place gold veins and so on. Template editing is some really high thing. I'll cover it maybe in a later episode, or maybe I'll skip on this because it's a bit more complicated. So editor settings, it's some nice thing. Here you should put some kind of editor you have. Notepad will do, but if you, for example, have PSPad installed, then you can use PSPad. Then you can later use the editor to automatically open your editor of choice with the Lua files. Where's PSPad? Here. Okay, PSPad, and just click on the stuff for PSPad. Yeah, it's just the default parameter settings. Okay, that's about the first episode. Now you can already start placing objects, doing things. Here on the top bar, by the way, is the different modes. For example, if you use the tile mode, then you can create new hallways. And yeah, that's it for the first episode. Thank you and bye.